This video is to give instructions on how to replace the toner cartridge kit on the Copystar CS2550 and 2050 models. This also is for the Kyocera KM2550 and KM2050 machines. Let's take a look at what's included inside the box. The TK413 toner kit. The instructions are right here on the box, step by step, on the complete process of replacing the cartridge and cleaning crucial parts of the machine to optimize copy quality. Inside your box has the instruction sheet on how to clean the separator grid. Comes with 2 toner waste bottles. In this bag is the printer cleaning tool for the grid, the Corona grid. It comes with waste bags for the old cartridge along with the waste cartridges. Also has complete instructions on the replacement cartridge. Okay, first thing you want to do is shake the cartridge gently. Do this for about 30 seconds. It just activates the toner particles and gives it, breaks it up into a good fluffy consistency. As you can see on the cartridge, there's an arrow stamped on the top that shows you which direction the cartridge is going to be installed. Okay, we're going to go over to the machine now and actually go through the procedures on how to install this kit. Okay, the first step to replacing the toner kit is to clean the separator, which separates the paper to come out of the machine properly. It's a static brush that needs to be cleaned. And there's a special tool inside on the left-hand side of the machine. You open up the front door. It's just held closed by a magnet. And there's a little brush right here. This is the tool that we're going to be using. This is the brush. The next thing we do is open up the side door. There's a small button here you just lift up. This will open up, and then you release the transport section door, and you will now see the separator. I'm going to zoom in on that. It's inside, it looks like little small teeth, and you just take this brush and gently clean that array of teeth. There'll be dust, paper dust, and particles of toner that will be attached to this brush. Okay, that's all there is to that. And we just close the doors and replace the tool on the door. The next step is to clean the grid and replace the waste bottle. So you open up your front cover, remove the toner waste bottle just by gently pulling out on it. This will be full of toner that is not used in the copy process, and that's where we use the bag. And we will take off this little tab here, cover the hole so it doesn't spill out, place it inside the bag, and put it back in your box. The next step is the grid here that needs to be cleaned. And inside the little cellophane bag, there's going to be a device that we will install. It snaps right on here, and it has a little felt with some alcohol. And once it's in place, you just slide the grid out and it back in 2 or 3 times, gently and slowly, and then remove the little device that's in the bag. it just sticks into this little hole that we can see here. Let's see if I can zoom in to show you. It's this small hole that it's a key device that goes in there. Okay, once that's done, you can pull this out and just take your finger and just wipe off the slit there. That's all there is to cleaning the grid. Okay, the last step is to replace the cartridge. To do so, you open up this little blue handle here to the clockwise position, and the old cartridge will slide out. And that's before we already shook the new cartridge. So this is where you would take your new cartridge and then just replace it with the old cartridge. It goes right back in like so. You close the tab, close the door, and that's all there is to it. The machine will go through a cycling period, and then it'll be ready to copy again. Oh, one last thing, we forgot to put the new waste bottle back in. That will be our last step. As you can see, if without putting this back in, the door will not close. It's a safety feature so that the toner will not spill and make a big mess. So that cartridge goes in, then the door will close. Very important.